It is a tradition of Tamil people to begin any function with a prayer song, a song that praises the beauty of our motherland and mother tongue. I kindly request everybody to please stand on the mark of respect.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் மதனமென நிகழ்வரத கண்டனிதில் எக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம்பியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
Thank you, everybody. Now I request our chief guest, our revered chief guest, Dr. Jagannath Mishra, to honor the renowned dancer, Miss Sindhuri, for a spellbinding performance that she did in front of us, a feast for the eyes. Miss Sindhuri, can we have you here? I think she's already left. Anyway, we have the welcome address that will be delivered by Mr. V.R.S. Sampath. He is the chairman of the Madras Educational Trust. Mr. V.R.S. Sampath is a lawyer by profession. He has a record of 2 decades of social, cultural, and educational pursuits. It's special to mention that he brings out the only Tamil law journal by name Sattak Kadir. He has founded a private law college, the establishment of which is still in process.
அவையோருக்கு என்னுடைய அன்பு கலந்த காலை வணக்கம். டாக்டர் ஜெகநாத் மிஸ்ரா, ஆனரபிள் யூனியன் மினிஸ்டர் ஃபார் ரூரல் ஏரியாஸ் அண்ட் எம்ப்ளாய்மெண்ட், திரு அன்பரசு மெம்பர் ஆஃப் பார்லிமெண்ட், டாக்டர் கோபாலகிருஷ்ணன், சேர்மன் அண்ட் மேனேஜிங் டைரக்டர் இந்தியன் பேங்க், திருமதி கின் சாண்டி லீவின், சீஃப் டைரக்டர் யூனிசெஃப், Thiru Nikolai Barsky, Consul General of Russian Federation, Dr. V.C. Kurandasamy, former Vice Chancellor of Indira Gandhi Open University, Thiru Rama Rangannal, leading politician, Dr. S. Ramamurthy, Chairman, Malar Hospital, academicians, scholars, well-wishers, friends, ladies and gentlemen. United Nations 50th anniversary celebrations have begun this year. All over the world, many festivals, functions, seminars, conferences are being conducted. Our Prime Minister, Thiru Narasimha Rao, has spoken in the General Assembly on 24th of October at New York. He mentioned in his speech that all nuclear weapons to be abolished all over the world. He opposed the terrorism activities and urged for the removal of terrorism in the world. We are aware that United Nations' main aim of work is creating goodwill among world nations, mutual understanding among world nations, controlling wars, peacekeeping, and human rights. Apart from this, United Nations is working for the development of humankind in general. In this Golden Jubilee year, we decided to organize a conference seminar on United Nations to involve educationalists, public personalities, students, and non-governmental organizations on behalf of the Institute of International Educational Service. We invited Dr. Jagannath Mishra, Honorable Union Minister for Rural Areas and Employment, to inaugurate the conference. Dr. Jagannath Mishra is a leading politician and the former Chief Minister of Bihar, a well-known personality in Indian politics. He is now looking after late Rajiv Gandhi's motto of bringing Panchayat Raj Nagarapalika administration in the country. As a rural development minister, he insists that all the state governments should conduct fair and free elections for local bodies. On behalf of the Institute of International Educational Service, I have great pleasure in welcoming Dr. Jagannath Mishra, Honorable Union Minister for Rural Areas and Employment, and request him to inaugurate the conference of United Nations. On behalf of the Institute of International Educational Service, Mr. Ashokan will garland and give a memento on behalf of the trust. Where is Mr. Ashokan? Through our Anbarasu, Member of Parliament, Central Madras, possesses a rare independent quality on social justice and international activities. Mr. Anbarasu is a parliamentarian, administrator, writer, and academician. His activities for the people were always welcomed by the common public. On behalf of the Institute, I welcome him and request him to proceed over the inaugural session. Mr. Ashokan. Mr. Ashokan, one of the advisory board member of the trust, will give a shawl to the Honorable Minister and present a memento. Mr. R. Anbarasu, Mr. R. Kannan will present a shawl to the our Member of Parliament. Mr. Gopalakrishnan is the Chairman and Managing Director of Indian Bank. Will come any moment. He is attending another function, and he is a well-known public person in India. He is a good administrator, financial manager, social worker, and sportsman. He always full of understanding things and helps to the good causes in the society. He is the only bank official who understands the government policies and people's problem very well. Through bank, he helped a number of people without any discrimination of caste, religion, and language. He helped people to come up in various economic projects because of his achievements in financial institutions and his involvement in public activities. His services were honored by Karaikudi Alagappa University and Annamalai University by conferring honorary doctorates. On behalf of the Institute, I welcome Dr. Gopalakrishnan, Chairman and Managing Director of Indian Bank, and he will deliver the keynote address very soon. Tirumadi Kin Sandy Levin, Chief Director, United Nations International Children Emergency Fund, is a well-known person in Madras. Her services are very much appreciated by all sections of the people. Through her department, she sanctioned many projects to control AIDS and to support orphan children, children education, women welfare, etc. We have participated in many of UNICEF seminars. She has always invited our organization for any welfare activities. She is a good speaker and powerful orator, leading social worker and academician. On behalf of the Institute, I welcome Tirumadi Kin Sandy Levin and give you a special address on United Nations. Mr. Villalan will garland to the Tirumadi Sandy Levin. Sir Nikolai Bursky is the Consul General of Russian Federation at Madras. Russia is a long-standing friend of India. India and Russia are always united in all good causes, whether international activities or UN activities or creating a world peace. In this good occasion, I welcome Nikolai Barsky and request him to deliver special address on behalf of United Nations. On behalf of Trust and Institute, Mr. Nasser Ahmed will garland to the Consul General. Dr. V.C. Kurandasamy is a leading academician, senior-most educationalist, vice chancellor with many universities, and a Tamil scholar. We are very much happy to Mr. V.C. Kurandasamy participate in our inaugural function. On behalf of the Institute and Trust, I am welcoming Dr. V.C. Kurandasamy. Mr. Villalan will garland to the V.C. Kurandasamy. On behalf of the Madras Educational Trust and Institute of International Educational Service, I welcome the principals, professors, academicians, scholars, well-wishers, invitees to the function. The Madras Educational Trust was founded in 1992. My 2 decades of involvement in the field of social service, public activities have resulted in this trust. On behalf of the trust, we are publishing a Tamil law journal for the benefit of common public. We started an Institute of International Education Service to provide an international education. We started an Indian Institute for AIDS Prevention to create an awareness on AIDS. We started Inter-University Cultural Service. Then we are planning to start an International Law College at Madras very soon. Madras Educational Trust is involved in educational, social, and cultural activities in and around of Madras city. On behalf of the Madras Educational Trust and the Institute of International Educational Service, I once again extend my hearty welcome to the August gathering and seek your best wishes. Thank you.